Technology being a key differentiator increasingly in consumer adoption of even traditional banking. And add to that what the fintech space has done. I want to focus on the fintech space because technology is the key differentiator there, an explosion of fintech companies over the recent past because of the funding winter. That model, parts of it have come under severe stress. What's your own assessment of the fintech space in India at this point of time?
Well, I think the fintechs have played a very key role in driving adoption of new business models, which would have normally not got done by the banking empire, as I would call it. What this has led to, and which I said long ago, I think the platform in India is the large banks. I think the last mile reach and access is through the large banks. We've seen the last decade where almost 100 million Indians have got a bank account and slowly are getting access, slowly still getting access to credit. And that's, I think, the opportunity for India, which creates the next decade of growth, where consumers with access to credit in a sustainable manner can increase the per capita income, which leads to consumption growth. And we are still a two-thirds economy linked to consumption. And I think the fintech innovations which have come in there, we have seen a lot of it in the payment space. But beyond payments, we have not seen that scale to the last mile and access. So but the work which RBI, NPCI and some of the leading fintech companies have done has accelerated the technology use and brought the cost down significantly. The next wave would really be if the large banks, and I mean the State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Axis Bank are able to use this technology access to start offering last mile credit at a much cheaper transaction cost and recover this money in a manner which actually enables 100 million Indians to improve their income level. Because if you can add leverage to your personal balance sheet slowly in a sustainable manner, you will start and be able to pay for it. I think that's where the whole country sort of goes up. So for me personally, the impact of this has to be seen at the financial inclusion level. And I think that's the opportunity which I feel very positive about in the coming decade.
Quick follow-up. What are the innovations in the fintech space, generally speaking, within its various verticals, that the large traditional banking system ought to pick up in India? Quick answer on that and then we'll continue.
I think the fact that we have seen the way credit has been disbursed at not consumer, but at least at MSME level, and the data, the way the algorithms have been made to work, I think if that can be taken to the next level of consumers, and that only the large banks can do. I don't see the fintechs being able to do that. If that happens, I think we will be able to see a very profound impact.